Netcoins wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Netcoins wallet app promises to make crypto buying, selling, and storing simple, especially for Canadian users. But is it truly as beginner-friendly and trustworthy as it seems? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, one of the biggest advantages of Netcoins is that it's fully regulated in Canada. The company is registered as a money services business under FinTrack, which means it operates under clear financial compliance rules. That's a major plus for users who want to invest with confidence without worrying about shady offshore platforms. Next, let's talk about ease of use. The Netcoins wallet app was built for simplicity. It allows users to buy, sell, and trade popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin directly with Canadian dollars. You can fund your account through e-transfer or wire, making the entire process quick and familiar. Another great feature is zero funding fees. Many exchanges charge hidden costs just to deposit or withdraw money, but Netcoin stands out for keeping it free, a refreshing difference in today's market. Now, for the cons. The first limitation is geographic availability. Netcoins is currently focused on Canada, which means users from other regions may not have access to all its features. Another drawback is its limited crypto selection. While the app supports major coins, it doesn't yet include many smaller altcoins or DeFi tokens. For advanced traders or explorers, that could feel restrictive. In conclusion, the Netcoins wallet app offers a safe, simple, and regulated gateway into crypto. The surprising truth? It's not about having the most features, it's about trust and usability. If you're a Canadian beginner looking for a smooth start in crypto, Netcoins delivers reliability where it matters most.